Hey everyone, Miss Christian here. Thanks so much to all my new subscribers, and thanks so much for all the continued support I have gotten from everyone watching my videos. Today I am headed into Kroger. I need to fill my wick. They expire in 2 days, so I need to go and fill them before they expire. So I'm just going to take a look at the produce. Right now I don't have any vouchers allotment for any produce, but I just want to take a look and see some different prices. They have these Honeycrisp apples. They are $2.49 a piece. No, $2.49 a pound. So $2.49 a pound. I wonder how many that is. Let's see. So that means you'll get 2 apples for $2.49. For all you guys who don't know, I did get me a Gala apple tree and a Red Delicious apple tree. You are able to get those on your food stamp card as long as you go to a place that sells them that accepts food stamps. So right now I haven't got any fruit yet, but hopefully in the next few years I will get fruit. So I don't buy ground beef, but I wanted to come and just see what the prices were like. So right now for this pound, it's $6 for a pound of ground beef. And so they have like more up here that's $7.49. Here goes some up here for $8.49. So it'd probably be cheaper just to buy it unground and grind your own meat. I heard in other states that somebody has seen a pound of ground beef for $10, and that's like super ridiculous. But right now it's already $6 for a pound here, so who knows, it could go up to $10. So if you guys eat ground beef, like I said, other states it's already increased to $10. Go ahead and stockpile you up some and put you some in the freezer, so you don't have to worry about paying double the amount. It's already really high. This should be no more than like $2.49. You know, maybe $3.99 at the most. So $6, that's super expensive. So they didn't have any turkey salami when I had came last time, but they do have some this time, and it's $2.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2. This is not accepted on WIC, but I have my food stamp card. So I'm over here with the milk. So we do get the soy silk on WIC. It is $2.77. It's on sale right now. It's usually $3.29. So we exchanged the regular milk for soy milk since we don't drink regular milk. Also, my baby is allergic to milk, so that's another reason why they switched it out. So both of my babies have an intolerance to milk. So I get 12 altogether, but today I just got 5, and I'm gonna try to go to Walmart and see if they have more, because they didn't have any more here. And I got 3 salami. Since I know that's something we eat, I can just put some in the freezer. So right now it's just thinking ahead, plans right now for tomorrow, because tomorrow is getting worse by the day. So eggs right now are $2.69. I know when I had just came like a couple of months ago, they were $1.99. $2.19 is the highest I had seen them. But right now for a dozen of eggs, it is $2.69, and that is the Kroger brand. And so I'm able to get 1 large dozen of eggs. With those prices like that, I probably would definitely be getting some chicken soon. So now I'm over here. I'm going to get some cheese. I get 2 pounds of cheese on my WIC, and I believe it's this $6.49, and it's the kind that does not have the plastic covers. That's the kind that's available. And so I'm going to get 2 of these, and it's a 16 ounce. I don't even think they have any probably get this 1 pound 16 ounce. Yep, so I can get this, and I can get 2 of these. This is the kind I'm looking for, and it's $7.99. I'm also gonna grab some cookies. So for you guys who don't know, one of my babies, he has a lot of allergies, a lot of food allergies. So we eat a lot of plant-based foods because they don't have dairy and they don't have egg in them. So I'm gonna get us some of these plant-based oatmeal cookies. This is the cookie dough. They don't even have a price over here. They're gonna be the $2.99. They don't have the ones for the oatmeal, but it's the same exact kind. This is just the chocolate chip. So I'm going to get 2 things of these. I'm also going to get some of these sugar cookies. They're on sale right now for $4.49. I'm going to get 2 of these, and I always grab 2 so I can have him take 1 to daycare. I wasn't able to get any orange juice the last time I came, so I'm going to get some orange juice. It is $4.19, so I don't know what I'm going to have to start doing. You guys give me some tips because my kids love orange juice, but it's $4.19 and this is not going to last long in the house, so almost $5. So they have more of my Simply lemonade. You guys know I love this kind, and it's $2.79. I'm going to grab me 2 of these because now the kids love them. They didn't got turned on to them, and I hardly am able to get any. They drink it before I have a chance. So it's the Simply lemonade with raspberry. The Go-Gurts are available on WIC. These right here, they usually have the strawberry kind too. The slushy kind is not available for WIC. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. No, I'm going to grab 4 of these, and that should be the allotment. If I need more, if I need to get more, I'll just get it from Walmart. So I had wanted to see, just for reference, like, so if you buy some pasture raised eggs, they are $6.99. They have some right here, $6.49. Here goes some organic. You guys know how I feel about labels, because owning a restaurant, like, before, I know how you can put organic, you can put pasture raised, and what we think that is, and like just regular society, is really something different when it comes to the laws and how they're able to put pasture raised on something. And literally it can just, as long as the chicken gets, I believe, like a few hours a day on like a 4-foot or 2-foot space, like, then they're able to put pasture raised. So the chicken can actually be like cooped up, still in a high stress environment, all through the day. But as long as they have like a cutout and of grass, and they can actually not even allow the chickens to go there. It just can't be any gate to stop them from going there. But as long as they have it open to where they can go to a 4-foot space, they're legally allowed to put pasture raised on the packaging. So you guys be mindful of that. That doesn't mean that chicken only was raised on the pasture and it's this open green field. It's something really completely different when it comes to buying food commercially or creating food commercially. So these organic are $5.99. This is cage free. That also is a trick of labeling, and it's completely legal with just like the bare minimum what we believe is cage free, as long as they're not secure in a cage, but they can still be in like a warehouse. But as long as they're not like in a cage, they can still be in a warehouse, and that's considered cage free. $3.99. And that doesn't have to be the whole day. It can just be up to a couple of hours a day of where they're not in a cage, and they are able to put cage free on the packaging. So for the rest of the time, they can be caged. So that's just a little not so fun fact. about the commercial industry and, you know, things of that nature that you guys may have not known. And I had actually learned that, like, because I had wanted to get one of my food products in stores, and I you know, learned about labeling. But when I had read the book Plant Paradox that I always talk about, he has a whole page in there of breaking down labels and what that actually means. So if you guys have not read this book, this is such a good read. I'm going to post it on the screen, and then I'm going to also do a link so you're able to get it for free, and you get one free a month on Audible. I also get juice, and it's $3.49. I get this on Wick. So this is the cold pressed apple juice, and this is, like I said, the kind that I get on Wick. So it's from pressed apples and concentrate, and it's like you really don't know how much is fresh apples and which one is concentrate. So this is why I literally started trying to go as natural as possible, because I really started learning about the labels and then just the corruption of our food. If you guys have not tried this apple juice, it's $6.49. This apple juice is unfiltered apple juice. It tastes like you got it off the tree. It's, you know the taste. When you taste this, you're gonna know the difference. And it's no concentrates and no sweeteners added. So I'm gonna get one of these because it's just so good. I'm gonna grab a thing of water. Also, guys, try to stock up on your water. Stock up on your water. Every time you go to the store, grab a thing of water. I'm also working on getting me a Berkey filter. We need to be figuring out ways to, you know, purify our water, save our water, store our water, like just really prepare, you know, like even prepare for the worst and then pray for the best. That's all you can do. So I'm actually not able to get it because these say 11 ounces. And I'm only allowed to get 11.8 or 12 ounces, 18 ounces, and another, I think, 36 ounces. So I'm only able to get those numbers. So for these, I cannot get because the box is too small. So and they don't have any of the other kind, the honey roasted kind. So I'm just going to see what they have at Walmart. I'm over here in the oatmeal, cream of wheat, all of that good stuff. So I am going to get not some cream of wheat. So I am going to get some oats. They're $1.99, and it's the 18 ounce. And these are available on Wick. So I'm going to get one of these. And I've actually never had this before. I just looked at the app and it said cream of rice, and I came over here to see if it was available, and it's available. It's available on Wick. It's $3.99 for cream of rice. So cream of rice is gluten free. So I'm gonna grab this just to try out, and yeah, so I'm gonna grab it just to try it out. It's a little bitty box. It's only, if my camera focuses, it won't focus. There we go. It's only 14 ounces. And we also get peanut butter on Wick. They did not have a substitute for this. I have my older son. He can eat peanut butter, but me and all three of my babies can't eat peanut butter. So, but they would not allow me to get like sunflower butter or anything like that with the Wick. So just to switch it up, I'm gonna get a creamy and I'm gonna get a extra crunchy. And I moved my eggs up here to anybody who's like, she has water and all of that stuff on her eggs. I know y'all be looking when I be smashing my bread and everything, but it literally does not smash. It just looks like that. But yeah, I put my eggs up here so they're not getting crushed, y'all. I have so much sunflower butter, but this is what we normally get. It's $5.99, and it's the creamy sunflower butter is what we usually get. Me and the cashier the other day was talking about how growing up, like, we literally thought this was liquor because, like, how the parents used to be like, don't y'all touch that ginger ale, and like they would get it when they went to the liquor store. And so, like, growing up, I thought that this was alcohol. I thought it was something that wasn't meant for kids. But now it's like, oh, this is just, you know, this is something good to have if you got a stomach ache or something like that. But yeah, I just thought that was so funny. Did for you guys watching, did you think this was like alcohol or something that wasn't? Did you think it was alcohol or medicine? Like, so those was the only thing that I thought it was, like alcohol, or I looked at it as like cough syrup, where you only drink it if you sick. That's so funny. So let me know in the comment section below if you grew up with that same thought process until you got older and was like, hold on, I've been lied to. So I'm checking it out. And so the total came up to $65.02. So my food stamp total was like 47 something from what I could see. So I hit food, my pen coding. So that was a great trip. My WIC was $65 and some change of what you seen. That I had grabbed, and the food stamps came to like $47 and a little bit of change. So everything they did not get today, everything I was not able to get today, I will go to Walmart and able to get. I'm also going to go and see if I can get some more fruit trees, because the one closest to my house like their garden center is empty. And so I did grab some things from Kroger already that's growing. So I actually want to try to get me some more things, and I have a lot of seeds to start. So if you guys want to see that, just put it in the comment section below. I know, like, my garden videos, y'all say y'all want to see, but y'all don't be watching those. But if you want to see them, then I'll do, you know, a video on that. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and comment down below and subscribe. Until next time, y'all, bye.